together. So what I like to do, now look, so you want to, this is my little secret, shouldn't be a secret. I like to make a fat center tack. Okay, so I'll go from here. There we go, little baby. Okay, so I'll jump up here. Anchor it, and then look how I'm holding my hand. I'm holding my hand wide, not like this, because I want a fat line. What do you think having a fat center line does?
Well, it's going to reduce the amount of shrink area. Yeah.
Now, film has memory, so whatever we do out here, we're going to do it on the inside. So we have to make a fat center line when we get on the inside, okay?
You're installing. Okay.
Yes, chef.
All right.
Okay, hold on. We gotta do the same thing down here.
Before you mess with the
yes. Mm-hmm. Look. Now look at those fingers.
Really fat.
Very fat. All right. Have at it. I'll do this side, if you don't mind. You want the card or the glove?
I'm glove. I'm not using the card unless you're coming over fixing something.
I don't know. We'll see. Hey, there's 100 feet of film. We're good.
Yeah, well, I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too. We gotta eat before we can eat though, right? Right, coach? All right, I'm gonna try this German gun.
Okay, when I pull,
Yep. Yes, chef.
when I pull tension, come on over here and look.
Be right there. Yeah.
I want it to float. I want it to float.
Yes.
I don't want it, so this shouldn't really bother me when I pull
Nah,
this.
don't. This is no factor. No problem. You're gonna pull here. Heat.
Okay. What is this? Sorry.
You're good. I'll train you on the torch next. I'm kidding.
I mean, if that goes over like that, I don't want that. I don't want
just
that.
pull right here. Nice and easy.
Yeah, but
look,
when it does that, you're not gonna.
No problem.
Right? No.
Don't overthink it. Boom. Heat.
Okay.
No problem.
I figured that.
You're doing it.
You sound Italian though.
When?
Just now.
You're doing it.
Problem.
No problem. I picked it up from my friend. He talks like that. No problem. Let's see if this heat gun doesn't pop the circuit breaker. All right, let's see what I can do with this baby. I gotta wait for this to get 1300 degrees internally. Looks good, coach. Careful with the area over there. No more heat right there. We'll repair it in a minute. Don't even worry about it.
Where?
Right here. Right.
Put me in there.
Right there. See how it's curled right there? No, right here.
Yeah, this. Yeah.
Don't worry about this. No heat.
Yeah.
All right, good. Bop, bop, bop. Oh yeah, that Fusion Heat Gun, way better for this window. It just covers a wider area. No doubt. Coach, what do you think? Mamma mia.
Sometimes I'm not pulling it right. I'm still okay.
Just remember, the objective is to only pull a slight little tug. It's not hard, just to get the film to float wherever you're heating. Because the objective, the pull shrinking, is just to allow it to float and hover right where you're going to place the heat gun. Just like that. In this video, I'm going to show you how to heat the Tesla Model 3 back window. Mamma mia. Got him. All right, coach.
I feel like I need to push some of this out.
Yeah. Good. Full shrink gang. What up? Oh boy. Get down, little feller. All right. I'll be right there, coach.
I'm not going to ruin this one.
Nah, that's how we learn. It's all good, coach. I believe in you. You got this.
I want to hang this one up on the wall.
You can sign it. I want to hang it on the wall.
Okay.
Oh, mama.
Before I do any more, I'm going to
Okay, 1 second. Let me just get this little. Got him.
I feel like I can get. I'm not sure. I know the certain areas that I want to hit.
Okay, I'll be right there. I'll sign this one for you.
There you go. Sign that. It's just on the wall.
Nah.
There it is. Put the beard on?
There we go.
Okay.
All right.
So as I'm looking at this, I feel like I have something manageable here, but I feel like
No
there's
doubt.
certain areas
No,
that
you're good.
I'm worried
Okay.
about overheating.
Okay.
So as I'm reading
So
it,
look, I'm leading with my hand,
Yeah.
just like you're doing. Good. This needs more heat for sure. You're doing good. You're just
I just don't want to
you're just unsure. We're gonna fix that uncertainty right now. So see, hold on. See how the film's just floating right here?
Yeah.
And when I lay it down, look. Oh, look, it's gonna have fingers. So I know that it needs the heat. You said what? Okay. So let's start right here. Put your hand.
Yeah, just ran your hand right through that.
It's all good.
So I'm not
Let me
pulling tight. Okay, so I see.
let me get my glove.
But here's what I see.
Yes, chef.
I see shrink here, shrink here. I see it going out that way. So what am I to make of this? Right
It
there?
needs more heat. See how it's tunneling and
Okay,
it's
so
and it's
there,
not hovering?
in the middle of
It
it.
needs more heat.
Got it.
But
Okay.
let's
Well, you gotta be proud of me that I wasn't overheating it.
absolutely. I'm proud of you.
That was my biggest problem. Now I'm underheating.
Right here. Start heating right here. Slow it down a little bit.
Slow down.
Get closer with that heat gun. Sorry.
That's
That thing
right.
is
That's
piping
right.
hot.
That's why we have that. So get
Woo.
closer.
Get closer.
Okay.
Okay, stop. Look, this is all flat. I'm good. Look.
Yep. So stay away from
So
that.
now your fingers are right here.
I'm trying to read it. Let me look.
Okay?
Okay, in the middle.
Right there. Go ahead.
Closer.
Closer. You did it.
Yeah, but, okay.
You did it.
That's scary.
Nah. It's an intimidating window, but you're doing good.
Okay, so now I'm looking.
Since we're right here, let's attack this. Okay, so hold on. Bop, bop, bop. Right here. Now your fingers are right here in this section. So pull right here.
Okay. Yeah.
Heat. Get
Down
close.
the middle. Oh, all that area.
Yes. You're only applying it where you're pulling. That's it. Done. Stop. Look. Smash it.
Now, I feel like here's the problem. I need to switch hands.
Okay.
I need to learn to shrink.
Keep it in your dominant hand.
This hand. Because this
Okay.
is my dominant hand
Okay.
to push with.
So look. See how it's going this way?
Yep.
No problem. Look.
Yeah, that's good
Look.
so far.
Look.
And I have this little sucker out here.
Hold on. Let's knock this
Okay.
out. There. Hit it. I'm gonna cry. You did
Is
it.
that too good?
Yeah, it's excellent. Okay, right here.
Okay.
Swirls.
I don't need to hold that.
Nah, swirls. A little bit closer, coach. Boom, stop.
And then as soon as I see it do that, boom.
Yes. You did it. Look, no problem. No factor. All right.
And then,
Hashtag progress.
So now we got up here.
Ooh, that is okay, no problem. That's straight.
off anyway.
Now we're right here. Let's knock this out. Smash. Okay, now pause. When you're using the glove, you're using this bone of your hand. So here,
Use my palm.
no, this bone right
Oh,
here.
this bone. You want
So
me
I'm
to
just
use that
going
bone.
like that and tilting it, angling it up. So it acts as a card.
All
That's
right.
why I like this
All right.
glove.
For now, just looking so. I feel like I've got here.
So now, sorry, I'm bare palming it. Look,
Jesus.
You want-
Okay, so I did.
you wanted to put heat there, but it didn't need it.
No, I didn't.
But look.
I know.
Look.
No, I
But
did.
look,
I get it.
but look at the direction of the film.
Mine is coming this way.
But notice the difference. I use my hand in a card. So look, you can do it with your glove too. Look, no problem. Look. Okay, so I know I'm good here. I'm good.
Okay.
Okay, so now all the stress right here. So give it a good pull right here like I'm doing.
Yep.
Heat, only right here. Let's knock this out. Just kiss it. Stop. You did it.
Jesus, that doesn't still. Okay, I get it. I get what we're doing now, but that, and you're just doing it faster. So now when I look at this, I know I hit it here,
Correct.
right here. But now when do I stop pulling? When is the
Just
pull
give it a
stop?
little tug. I mean, it's not that curved right here. So pull shrinking is for extremely curved areas. Like this is not that curved. I think you can knock this out.
So I can not pull
Just
and
do
I can
swirls.
hit it?
Do swirls. Get your heat. Your fingers are right here. A little bit closer. There. Look, you did it. You're doing it. Look.
Now it scares me though. Now
Why are you
How do
scared?
I know if I'm going to get too much on that?
Look at the direction of the film.
All right, so I'm good right
Look.
now.
Yeah. You did it. Swirls right here until this is flat. Keep going. Keep going. I'm just going to go behind it with my glove.
So I'm going
Keep
off
going.
the edge anyway, right?
Yeah, you're good. Don't worry. We're past our cut lines, but I'm just showing you how the film is laying down. Go ahead. Right here.
That's crazy. Now we're outside our cut line because it's going to be in
No
the
doubt.
area.
We're
Okay, so
beyond
now
our
I
cut
see.
line. We're just getting extra credit points now. So now, right here, here's our attack point. Just get closer. With that heat gun, it pushes so much air, you can get close.
Well, I'm looking here,
You're good. Heat.
but what about all this here?
No factor. Not worried about that. We're worried about this to make this even, and then we'll come back to this. Okay, don't forget about this part.
I don't think I need to pull for that.
No. I would pull right here. It's kind of tight. Can you, hold on. Can you see that it's tight?
Yes, I can.
Okay.
I can see it tightening up.
I don't want to assume, okay?
It's tightening up on me.
Yup. Hit it. Hit it with heat, coach. Watch your fingers.
Ouch. Jesus.
Okay, so look, go ahead, slime it with your hand. It's just your technique, that's why you're getting that, your technique of your hand.
How do I get that?
You can use a card, it's okay, don't worry about it.
Use a card.
I don't want to focus on that. So now we're just resetting ourselves,
The card would help me get that.
pull right here.
And I need to be careful because I don't want to.
Nah, it's burning right there, but it's okay. It's beyond our cut line. Go ahead, hit it. Get closer, right here.
All the way up there first.
Yes.
Back this
Keep
way.
going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
This way.
Keep going. Why'd you stop?
Well, because I thought I was off the edge. Am I not off the edge?
Oh, hold on. Oh, no. No, we're good.
Got it.
Right here. Pop. Hit it. You got this, coach. Right here. Ah, there. We're good. Extra credit. Okay. You're doing it.
Just watch this stuff now. So that I know is done.
100%. So now we're right here. Pop.
I'd be better off using a card, I'm thinking. So you're
Whichever
not-
card you're comfortable with.
because
Or your
my
Mac
hand-
tack.
my hand technique's not good. Okay. So So
just takes practice.
Here's the thing. Let me ask you a question. This is pulling here. I want to stay away from that.
Yes.
Okay. What I want to get is here.
Yes. So where do you think you should pull?
Right here.
Absolutely. Do it.
Okay.
Execute. Okay, it's not laying down here. What do you think you should do?
Now I have to pull tension here, pull that, or lift up. I could lift up or just pull
Heat.
tension.
Yeah. Heat it. Closer.
Closer.
There.
Now I see here.
Nah, no factor. Smash all that. Here, stay right there. I'm just gonna hold. Not trying to hold your hand, coach. Look.
Yeah, but that feels like it wasn't ready yet.
No, that was ready. For sure. Look.
Okay. So there's enough that I don't need to shrink more out?
A little bit right here. You're right. I didn't see that angle. You're right, coach. There. You did it.
Now, where's my part? Just push
You
that
want this
out.
one?
Yeah. So I'm just pushing out.
Careful, careful, careful.
How do I do that? When do I come at that?
Heat.
When I see that happen?
These swirls will get close.
see?
Get close. Boom. Stop. Smash it. Okay, hold on. Ooh. You might have an issue right there. It's okay. Hold on. Let's knock this out.
So you can
A little
only-
heat right here.
so you
Just
can
kiss
only
it.
look back at it.
Stop. Boom. Okay, we have a little predicament here.
So you can lift that up.
We got this, coach. Lift it up.
And,
Some air.
take some air
Just
underneath
just kiss it right here with the heat gun. Stop. You got it. A little bit more right here.
it. Sure?
Yeah. More.
Jesus, scare me.
More. Stop. Got it.
Jesus. Okay.
Just reading the film, coach.
I'm gonna have
We're gonna do this again.
to. We're gonna have to.
But next it's gonna be a solo mission for you. You're gonna do this by yourself. Good job.
Man, that is still not.
You did great.
It's not that intuitive. So where could I make the like right now if I were going to damage it? If I'm using my card, like there. What if I ran across something
Nah, no
that's
problem.
too hot, and I hit it and I crimp it? Like that.
Well, if
little-
it's inside your cut lines, your pattern, then you would have to redo it. But this is,
it's outside the pattern.
yeah. That's why we leave extra, I call
you got
meat
it.
on the
Now you got
bone,
the bone,
because we
yeah.
need more film on the sides just in case. You want to sign it?
Oh yeah, here we go. Let me see. Well, I'm deciding. What do I want to do? What do I want to sign? I've never had a nickname. You know that? My entire life. When you're
Pit
Marco,
boss.
When you're Marco, you don't get a nickname.
Film trainer. That's my name. You're the pit boss.
Top shrink.
How about Handsome Kurt?
Top shrink. Watch this. You know what I'm gonna do?
Handsome Kurt.
No, it's gonna be this.
All day.
Top. This is what we're gonna do. Top tint. Watch this.
Look at that.
Top tint.
Heck yeah.
And then so because Maverick, we're gonna get the logo, the Top
Nice.
Gun logo.
Yeah.
Top tint Maverick.
Dope. All right, Maverick's turn. I'm kidding.
That I feel like
Good job.